On a yearly basis, the membership manager or team lead opens the renewals for members to renew their policies by submitting new declarations. If a member fails to renew during the open period, the member will be deemed non-compliant. To access the eCARE system, the member or agent must enter the email, password, and click the Sign In button. Member details such as the status, creation date, compensation registration and reference number, the account executive assigned to the member, member number, as well as the industry class are displayed at the top of the screen. Note that the amber badge indicates that the member is non-compliant and needs to submit outstanding declarations so that the badge turns green, indicating that all declarations are up to date and they are compliant. In this instance, the declarations for renewals were not submitted. If you know that the earnings for COID are the same as other products, select the checkbox so that the earnings will auto-populate for all the products. If not, deselect the checkbox. Click the vertical scroll bar to continue to the Declarations section. All the members' declarations must be completed. Click on the Tab drop-down button to display the details. Click the Edit icon to complete the earnings. The icon will turn green once the earnings have been completed. In the Declaration Details section, complete the average number of employees and the total employee earnings. Click the Save icon to save the declarations. Take note that the Edit icon is now green. Click the Edit icon for the second line item. In the Declaration Details section, complete the average number of employees and the total employee earnings. Click the Save icon to save the declarations. To exclude a specific category from the policy, click the Exclude icon. Click the Include icon to add the declaration line item to the policy. There's a variance between the previous year's earnings and the ones submitted for the current year. Click the Edit button to supply the reason for the variance. Provide the reason and upload supporting documents by clicking on the arrow. Click the correction mark icon to confirm. Take note that the Edit icon is now green. Click on the drop-down arrow to collapse the tab. Once all the declarations have been completed, click the Save icon to submit. Because of the variance, the submissions will now workflow to the payroll audit technician for review. Click the Submit icon to proceed. Click the Save icon to save the declarations. The variance review request has been submitted successfully. Clicking on the amber badge will display the reason for non-compliance. Click the Close icon to exit the pop-up screen. Note that the member is now compliant. Click the green badge to display the update. All submissions and collections due by the member are up to date. Click the Close icon to proceed. Click the Logout option to exit the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted the declarations for a renewal.